Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The Aussie-dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Shares in SoftBank Group Corp soared after Chinese e-commerce conglomerate Alibaba Group, in which the Japanese technology investor has a 13.7% stake, announced a major restructuring plan. UK stocks edged higher, supported by gains in banks amid easing fears of a financial sector meltdown, while shares of export-focused energy and materials companies gained as the pound weakened. Bitcoin has stormed to a 72% gain over the last 3 months and is back on track for its strongest quarter in 2 years. The token has outperformed both the Nasdaq 100 and gold, which are up 15% and 9% respectively in the same stretch.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US gross domestic product annualized will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US gross domestic product price index at 12:30 GMT, the Eurozone's business climate at 0900 hours GMT. Spain's consumer price index will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.